Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Welcome back to Work Guitars. Good to talk to you guys again. This is just going to be a quick video to say thank you very much for watching and subscribing. We got 300 subscribers as of today, and that makes me feel great. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I never really thought that we'd get that far. You know, it's not really about, I'm not sure what I'm trying to say. What it is about is this, just building guitars and having a good time and, you know, sharing it with your friends and letting the guys that I'm building guitars for get a peek to see where their guitars are at and things like that. Because it takes a long time to build a custom ride like this. You know, there's a ton of work in it, as you can imagine. And I have a waiting list, which I'm very, very grateful for, and I appreciate that. And so it's a way to do a couple different things, you know, share some of the things I do with other guitar builders or with people who are interested in just building things in general. And, just sharing. That's what YouTube's about, sharing what you do with other people, right? So anyway, just a quick vid to say thank you very much for subscribing. The last guy who subscribed is a guy named Iraq Duncan, I-R-A-C Duncan. Dude, if you're watching, if you get this, if you see it, if you'll send me your info, your address, your shirt size, I'll send you a shirt, one of these Work Guitar shirts, all right? Because you're number 300. And when we get to 400, I'll do something cool and we'll keep going up, make it bigger and bigger maybe. We'll see, all right? Whatever I can afford to do. But that's it for today. I just got a couple of quick things. Been spending the day organizing, trying to get the back bench organized again. I get in a flurry or a fury or whatever when I'm working, and I just start being messy, man. I got to stop myself from doing that because you probably noticed that when your environment is cleaner and more organized, you feel cleaner and more organized, you know, and just it's easier to concentrate on what you're doing. So I've been doing that today. Cleaned all this mess off. I rearranged this bench by taking this vise off of the bench. You can see in other videos in the past where this vise is mounted right here, and that's worked okay for a while. But it always kind of bothered me because it was in the way on the bench. It was on the bench, and you couldn't really stretch out a guitar on it without that thing being kind of in the way, and you're afraid you're going to bang into it. If you bang into it with a finished product, you know, never good. So we got that thing out of the way, and now it's a little more functional. I can still use it here whenever I need to. I can also turn it and stretch out across here. I have a vise here also, so I can loosen this, turn this here, retighten it. Now these two vices coincide with each other. I can clamp a board, a fixture in here from here. We can work this way, and I can also work across the bench diagonally, which is very cool, which I couldn't do before. I mean, I kind of could, but it was limited. You know, you're using that much space. Now I can use this much space for big guitars like basses and things. So that works a lot better, man. And so I feel good about getting that done. It's been nagging at me for a while, but we got it done. The acoustic guitar is coming along well this week. I'm going to put the frets on the fretboard, glue the fretboard onto the neck. We got the neck joint cut. I'm going to do a video for that. You'll see that. This video really today is just to say thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and I mean that in all sincerity. Makes me feel very good, and I'm just humbled by the fact that you actually want to see what I do. Okay? You guys be good to each other out there, and thank you very much. And like I said, have a good one. We'll see you around there somewhere, all right? Bye now.